We'll see if you can see. I'm going to pull the throttle, and that should make this whole thing move. And it's moving. The one thing I have a question on is on the left corner. Does not seem to be moving. And then this is what, oh gosh, let's see if I can get ahead this way. This can snap and close, and you can see the tension on the spring. But that does not move when I pull the throttle. And so maybe that's all working correctly, or maybe I messed up, but this little thing right here that can move, I thought should be moving with the throttle. Okay.